Dream Mum Wake Up Mum comes in the narrative when she's fallen in love with this guy and she finds out that he's a South Indian.
Yeah. Camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Dream Mum Wake Up Mum, a gist of what the South Indian thrusting or that gyration or that energy that you require to perform it, because it's all about the sensuality of a woman's body and the way she has to move it.
When you see the dance form, it's not as if we are trying to mimic or doing a spoof. It is actually something that we love doing. Like me and Weber, we love dancing. I think this song was also kind of a tribute that Webervi and myself wanted to give the South Indian films and their songs.
Rani has a knack of absorbing, and I'm telling her, Rani, I want the expressions to be like that, little nakra, Dream Mum, Wake Up, critical condition, there's a timing and all of that. So she would just look at you with a blank face. So you would think you're talking to some wall behind her or somebody like that. And I had to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and boom.
Critical condition.
Lyrics that were written and the music that was created, I couldn't have gone wrong.
So we wanted certain sounds which would sound Tamil, but they had to be Hindi words or English words. So this entire thing of getting Dream Wake Up into Dream Mum Wake Up Mum was actually something that Amitabh kind of cracked.
Dream Mum Wake Up critical condition. Artham Wake Up Hilodula Sab Shake Up.
I think Webervi brings in the wild side out of me. She's my wild friend.
This can totally go wrong.
Saizam Nataram, Thinkam Mandaram.
When you think of Sridevi in her prime, when she did those songs down south, she was an inspiration. So I think that is what we've done with Dream Mum Wake Up Mum.
The best thing is that, of course, you are tuned to each other. You don't have to, I don't have to explain to her. I would not even finish the sentence and she's out there in front of my camera and she's performing for me. And she's like, understood babe, tu baith ja, tu dekh.
Next.
In those days, they would probably have a lungi and a huge belt. But I wanted Prithvi's look to be like this batik lungi with a huge belt. But he would wear these Ray-Ban aviators,
See, every song in this film, whether it's coming in the dream or whether it's not coming in the dream, it's very much part of the narrative. I think that's the beauty of these songs.
Dhol Petunam, love lust double kast badadi tunam.
Rani has been a hidden and a closet dancer on screen, not necessarily in person. Because in person, she's somebody who's very vivacious, who's very energetic, who's absolutely kinky up there, who's quirky herself.
बॉयज गर्ल्स सिंपल लॉजिक है, कैमरा दिख रहा है वहां से तो वो पोजीशन है तुम लोग का. चलो.